In this video, we will discuss causal, non-causal and anti-causal system. So in causal system, output depends on present input or present plus past input. In non-causal system, output depends on present input and future input, or past input and future input, or present and past and future input. In anti-causal system, output depends only and only on future input. So all static systems are causal because in static systems the output depends on present input only. So all static systems are causal, and all non-causal systems are dynamic because in all non-causal systems the output depends on present and future value, or present or past and future value. So all non-causal systems are dynamic. So this is an example yt equal to x of t minus 1. So it is a dynamic system and it is a causal system because output depends on present and past input. So yt equal to xt square. So it is a non-causal dynamic system, and all non-causal systems are dynamic. And yt equal to x of t square plus 1. So present output depends only on future input. So it is anti-causal. Like for y0 depends on x1. So it is anti-causal system. Yt equal to xt minus 1. So it is causal system. And yt equal to minus infinite to t x of tau d tau. So it is causal system because output depends only on present and past input. Yt equal to 2d square xt dt square plus 3 dx by dt plus xt. So this is a causal and dynamic system. Yt equal to x of 3t and x of t minus 1. X of 3t for t less than equal to 0 and xt minus 1 for t greater than 0. So let's check y minus 4 equal to x minus 12. So it depends on past input. Y3 equal to x of 2. So it depends. So this also depends on past input. So this is a causal system. Y of n equal to x of minus n. So y0 equal to x0, but y of minus 2 equal to x of 4. So depends on future input. So it is a non-causal system. And yt equal to minus infinite to 2t x tau d tau. So depends on future and past input. So it is a non-causal system. Y of t equal to even function of x of t. So it can be written as xt plus x of minus t by tau. So it is a non-causal system because depends on future values also because of presence of x of minus t term. Similarly, odd system is non-causal. But if a system is y of n is a real part of x of n or imaginary part of x of n, then it is a causal system. If y of t equal to t cube plus 1 x of t minus 1, so the value of y depends only on present and past input, so it is a causal system. Yt equal to x of minus t, so it is a non-causal system. Like y of minus 2 depends on x of 2, so it is a non-causal system because present input depends on present output depends on future input. Let's take y of t equal to d by dt x of t plus 1. So it is a non-causal system because x of t plus 1 is a non-causal system. Y of t equal to d by dt x of minus t. So x of minus t is non-causal. So this is non-causal. Y of t equal to d by dt x of t square. So x of t square is non-causal. So this is also non-causal. Y of t equal to minus infinite to t x of tau d tau. So this is dynamic and causal. So y of t equal to minus infinite to 2t x of tau d tau. So because of the 2t term, this is non-causal system. Whereas in this only t and this is also t, so this is causal system. In this is t and this is 2t, so this is non-causal system. Again here yt equal to minus infinite to minus t x tau d tau. So again this is t but this is minus t, so this is non-causal system and it is dynamic system because all non-causal systems are dynamic. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.